Hello, my people. Welcome to the Holistic Health Moment with your host, Dr. Lillian. Today, our word is breathe. Yes, you heard me right. Breathe. Now, you know what breathing is, right? It is taking in air into your lungs to fulfill a regular physiological process that our bodies need. We all breathe, and you know that when breathing is cut off, someone is close to dead, if not dead. And you know, of course, that when cells are not breathing, they are dead, right? So you've heard of a scenario, often a time when we tell someone to breathe. Take a deep breath. Do you know why? Not to worry, I will tell you. I have an example. When I'm faced with patients in the consultation room, many times a patient will come with increased blood pressure when you're trying to take the vitals. Do you know what that is called? That is a moment that we call the white coat syndrome. It is very common for all of us. Most of the time you come to your doctor and you need to be calmed down before your pressures are taken. And do you know what happens when we tell the patient to breathe and breathe again? Maybe a third one, 5 to 10 minutes of relaxation. We actually suddenly get a better reading of the blood pressure, something that's closer to the one they have while at home. At that moment, taking in a deep breath is calming the body. I'll give you another example that might be even more familiar. Have you seen athletes before they go for their race? I love swimming, running. When you see them doing that, before their race, you see them taking in a deep breath. What do you think is happening? Yes, most of the time we're thinking it is them calming down their nerves. But do you know they've been trained to do that? So I'm here to tell you, last Holistic Health Moment, we talked about fear. Thank you for the responses, the questions, and the insight you gave me that this added value to you in your journey of finding holistic health. And I'm here to tell you that when you are in the moment of fear, when you are in the moment of overwhelm, there is one thing that you can do that can change everything in an instant, and that is to breathe. Now, our bodies have two particular nervous systems. There is the voluntary and the involuntary. Now, breathing is one of those involuntary things that happen while you are not aware. Your heart is pumping right now, but you are not aware. You don't tell your heart pump, but it is pumping anyway. Now, that is involuntary. And voluntary, you decide to take a deep breath. Now, our muscles in the body are either involuntary or voluntary muscles. But there is one muscle that is serving both functions, and that is the diaphragm. The diaphragm is that muscle that lies underneath the lungs. It separates the chest from the abdomen. It's a dome-shaped muscle right there. We can teach our diaphragm to be voluntary. Most of the time it is serving an involuntary role because it helps to expand the chest to allow in a lot of air and to reduce the volume that is in the abdomen. And the reverse is true. But today I want to teach you, when you take a deep breath, you are actually instructing your diaphragm to serve a voluntary role. And what does it do? Taking in a deep breath allows you to bring in all the good air, especially oxygen, within your body, but most importantly, to exhale all the negative airs that we don't need from our body, the excess airs. Now, most of the time when you are anxious, you find that you're taking very shallow breaths. So there's shallow exhalation. So you do not exhale to the maximum. But when you take a deep breath, most importantly, you exhale to the maximum so that these excess gases stop polluting your body in the instant. And in the process, remember when I talked about stress hormones? You are actually allowing your body to circulate fresh air better and remove all these waste and excess stress hormones from your body. So in an instant where you carry out a deep breath, you are aerating your body better, so you're adding better breathing to your body. You are reducing stress. You are actually allowing freshness right into your blood vessels, fresh gases to circulate throughout your body, especially to your brain. So you are improving alertness, you are improving calmness, you're allowing better digestion to happen because suddenly you have better circulation even within the abdomen. I could go on and on and on about the benefits of deep breathing. So let's make it simple for you. The next time you are in a state of fear or anxiety, or even right now, you could try it out. Take a deep breath and tell me what it does to your body. Not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep breaths. And this is how you do it. Breathe in 5 seconds or 4. Hold it for 7 seconds. Take a deep breath out for 8 seconds if you can. And for those last 8 seconds, exhale through your mouth and allow your tummy to push out like you're blowing a balloon. So that is 4 seconds in, 7 seconds held, 8 seconds out. Do it 5 times and let me know what this does to your health in a moment when you are facing anxiety. My purpose here is to make holistic health livable because it's life transformational. Okay, I'll see you on the next holistic health moment. In the meantime, take a deep breath, relax, and calm down the overwhelm. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.